Hey, welcome back. Let's do a pocket dump. So these are the things that I've carried this week. Not all at one time, but most of the things, most of the time. so some of the pens I've used this week. My Conklin Durograph. Love this pen. This is the broad nib or stub nib. This is a stub nib. And it's a great pen to write with, but I do find myself getting ahead of the ink sometimes. Every now and then it'll have a little hiccup, but a great pen. And I'm running this ink. This is the Iroshizuku, the sky blue stuff. Beautiful, beautiful ink. Not very business-like. So in my LAMY Safari, I run this LAMY ink, which is more of just a dark blue ink. I can get by with this. This is a little bit too light for any kind of documents where my signature will show up on a legal document or something. But this is a really good combo. Like that, I've got to get me some more LAMY Safaris. Love these things. I carried a couple of sports. Kaweco Sports. This is the one in brass. This is the one in aluminum. I carried those. Carried a hank. This is a microfiber hank. So good for cleaning up my glasses. I've also used 3 mechanical pencils this week. Primarily, I've carried this Pentel Sharp. This is the 1.3 millimeter lead. This one is the 0.9 millimeter lead. And I've also carried this Pentel Kerry, Kerry. This is kind of a fancy mechanical pencil, although not very expensive. And I like it because it can post, so you can advance it here or you can post it and you can still advance it. So it's well thought out. And I've really pushed that lid out. Let me push it back in. And I've also carried one traditional knife, and this is a Queen Canoe. It's a half stop and very, very nicely made. I like Queen knives. They're starting to make them in America now too. So this one is not. I think this is probably Chinese made. But I like the canoe pattern, and I like the bone on this one. I have a matching Wurkkos. I haven't carried this week, but these are beautiful. Beautiful bone covers on these. Really nice. I like these. I like Queen knives. I need to pick up some more, especially now that they're starting to make these in America. So, very nice. Carried a Deluxe Tinker. I like the Deluxe Tinker. It's got both pliers and scissors. Nice. Love this. Been carrying this VOSTEED RACCOON. Such a fun knife. I like the crossbar lock. Very nice. Micarta. I did a review on this last weekend, I think. I'll put links in the description for this. This is a really nice pocket knife at a very affordable price for what you're getting. Full flat grind, very sharp out of the box, very slicey. And that crossbar lock is very fun. And whips out there really quick. I have to be careful not to get the meaty part of my hand in here, or I will nick myself. Very nice. I have been carrying this Wurkkos. This is the TS22. I'm going to do a review. I'm working on a review right now of this, so stay tuned for that. This is an awesome, powerful flashlight. And it can also work as a charger for your phone or devices. So it carry a little USB-C to USB-C cord with you, and I'll show you that in just a minute. And you don't need to carry both this and a power bank. It is a power bank and a flashlight. Also, just hanging in my pocket is this Aurora A8. Also like this, and it just hangs there. So yeah, I'm carrying 2 flashlights, but I'm not going to take that off just because I'm carrying another flashlight, because this weighs nothing. And it comes in handy. And I'm carrying it on a Night Eyes beaner, which I can clip to my belt loop, or I can clip it to my sling bag, and I'll show you that in just a second. Carrying a Zippo. This is a Zippo pipe lighter. I just filled it up, so the flame is really, really juicy. Love that smell. Love that smell. A couple of pipes. This is a Dagner poker, Missouri Meerschaum collaboration. It's got an acrylic stem, really like that, and it sits. And this is a 7LE 673 KS. Good little truck pipe. And a Fire Dog Tools, which also is a pipe stand. And let's look at my sling bag. Hey, stay tuned to the channel. Coming up will be videos on my little everyday carry journal. I've done tons of videos already, and I expect I'll do tons more. I'm also doing a review of the Wurkkos TS22. I'm currently working on that. This is both a flashlight and a charger or power bank. And also this little cob light from Warsun. So we'll check that out. And this has got a little lighter built into it. So interested to try that out. And it's a cob light that you can just clip to whatever, a little bag or whatever. It's got a bottle opener too, so you can see to drink. This is my TomToc sling bag. It's got a pocket on the back. This is great for the fountain pens and stuff. Carry a spare set of keys to my wife's car, and she carries a spare set of keys to mine. That way if we get locked out or lose our keys, we can come rescue each other. And inside here, I've got an umbrella. I live in the Smoky Mountains, and it's very rainy here. It's actually a deciduous rainforest, so we got tons of rain. Also carrying this little leather journal. This is the Me Plus. It's a binder, a ringed binder, and this is my kind of fitness tracker. And then in here, I've got this Maxpedition. This is the Maxpedition Skinny, and this is where I carry just odds and ends. I've got some medication in here, some Band-Aids, some ink cartridges, some sunscreen, a little charging block, which comes in handy, chapstick, Sharpie. There's another flashlight. Look at that. There is a little thumb drive. Nothing in there. And then in here is a power bank, which may be going away. I'm going to try this out. I carry both. If this can work as a power bank and a flashlight, why not just carry this? So this may be going away. Might let my wife carry that. And here is that little charging cable. It's one of those 4-in-1. There's a USB-C, USB, what do they call it? I don't know. And another USB-C, and the iPhone, whatever they call those things. And it's magnetic, and it can clip to your keychain, or I'll just leave it in the bag there. And that's it. That's what I've carried most of the time this week. All right. Catch you on the next one. Bye.